Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about errors. In MATLAB, there are two types of errors. First one is syntax and second one is semantic. Syntax error will occur when you break some rules of MATLAB. And MATLAB is very strict about its rules. I will show you one example. Let's first create one matrix. Now where did I break rules? In row 2 I put only 2 columns, while in other rows I put 3 columns, and it's illegal. So MATLAB will show you some red message. And a good point about syntax error is that MATLAB always warn you by some red message and also tell you where did you mistaken. So it is easy to find, a piece of cake. But in semantic error it's not so easy. I will show you semantic error also. Let's first create few variables. Now I want to add a and b, and after that I want to divide result by c. So answer should be a 3, because 5 plus 4 9 and divided by 3 is 3. But answer is expected. And the reason behind it is that MATLAB has a higher priority to division than addition. And let's correct it now by putting some parentheses, and here you go. So MATLAB is not going to warn you, because according to MATLAB it is illegal. You not did any mistake and it is hard to find. Let I will show you one more example. Let assume you have some temperature and store in variable c in Celsius, and I want to convert in Fahrenheit. So let's do it. Now it's right one. Now what if I did mistake here? I put minus at the plus of addition. The MATLAB is not going to show me any error, because according to MATLAB it is a right, but it affect in your answer. So I wish that you are not going to do such type of errors. So here we end our session. See you in next lecture. Goodbye.